Khaby Lame, the silent millionaire. From factory floor to global icon. Imagine losing everything, then building an empire without uttering a single word. This isn't a fairy tale. It's the unbelievable journey of Khaby Lame. He went from a factory floor to a global icon, becoming a multi-millionaire in the process. His story redefines what it means to achieve massive success in the digital age. This is the tale of a silent revolution, a testament to the power of simplicity. It's about a young man who captivated the world, proving that sometimes the loudest statements are made in silence. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind Khaby Lame's unprecedented rise. Our story begins in Chivasso, Italy, with a young Senegalese-Italian factory worker named Khaby Lame. His life was ordinary, marked by the daily grind of manual labor. He was just one of many, working hard to make ends meet. Then, the world changed. The COVID-19 pandemic swept across the globe, bringing economies to a halt. For Khaby, this meant a life-altering shift. He lost his factory job, suddenly finding himself unemployed and uncertain about the future. With time on his hands and a smartphone in his pocket, Khaby turned to TikTok. It was a platform he knew, a place where creativity could flourish. He started creating short, comedic skits, experimenting with different ideas. His early content was raw, authentic, and full of potential. He began reacting to the endless stream of life hacks and tutorials that flooded the internet. These videos often showcased overly complicated solutions to simple problems. Khaby saw an opportunity to bring a dose of reality to the digital noise. He started pointing out the obvious, the common-sense solutions that everyone else seemed to miss. This simple premise would soon become his signature. What made Khaby Lame's content so revolutionary? It was the genius of simplicity itself. In a world saturated with overproduced, complex videos, Khaby offered a refreshing contrast. He stripped away the unnecessary, revealing the truth with elegant ease. His unique approach centered on silent communication. Khaby never uttered a single word in his most viral videos. Instead, he relied entirely on his expressive face and body language. His signature style involved a deadpan expression, a look of utter disbelief or exasperation. This was often followed by a simple, universal hand gesture, typically an open palm indicating it's that simple. These nonverbal cues spoke volumes. The core purpose of his content was to debunk unnecessary complexity. He highlighted the absurdity of elaborate hacks by demonstrating the straightforward, common-sense alternative. It was a masterclass in comedic minimalism. This approach resonated with a massive audience because his reactions were universally relatable. Everyone has encountered situations where a simple solution is overlooked for a convoluted one. Khaby became the voice, or rather, the face, of that shared frustration. His ascent to viral stardom was incredibly rapid. Within months, his follower count exploded, turning him into one of the fastest-growing creators on the platform. The world couldn't get enough of his silent wisdom. His content was incredibly digestible, perfect for the fast-paced nature of social media. Short, punchy, and to the point, each video delivered its message instantly. There was no need for lengthy explanations or intricate plots. Crucially, his humor was universally understandable. A shrug, a raised eyebrow, a simple hand gesture. These transcend cultural and linguistic barriers. Anyone, anywhere, could grasp the essence of his message. Khaby provided a much-needed contrast to the often overproduced and overly dramatic content prevalent online. His authenticity felt like a breath of fresh air. He wasn't trying too hard, he was just being himself. His silent comedy transcended language barriers, making him a truly global phenomenon. You didn't need to speak Italian or English to understand Khaby's point. His expressions were the universal language. This global accessibility was key to his massive reach. He connected with people from every corner of the world, building a diverse and loyal fan base. His appeal knew no borders. His formula captured millions. By tapping into a fundamental human desire for clarity and simplicity, he validated common sense, making viewers feel smart for recognizing the obvious. It was a powerful, unspoken connection. He proved that you don't need flashy effects or complex narratives to go viral. Sometimes, the most profound impact comes from the most straightforward observations. Khaby's success was a masterclass in viral mechanics. Khaby Lame didn't just become famous. He strategically leveraged his online fame into a formidable monetization strategy. His journey from unemployment to immense wealth is a case study in digital entrepreneurship. He understood the value of his unique brand. Major companies quickly recognized his global appeal and authenticity. This led to lucrative brand collaborations with some of the biggest names in the world. From fashion to technology, brands wanted Khaby's silent endorsement. He diversified his product offerings beyond just sponsored content. Khaby launched his own merchandise, allowing fans to connect with his brand on a deeper level. T-shirts, hoodies, and accessories all bore his iconic image. The financial outcome of these ventures was staggering. What started as a simple TikTok account transformed into a multi-million-dollar empire. Khaby Lame became a symbol of what's possible in the creator economy. His business focus extended beyond short-term gains. He employed strategies designed to monetize his platform sustainably. This included careful selection of partnerships and building a long-term brand identity. He understood that his authenticity was his most valuable asset. Every business decision reinforced his image as the relatable, common-sense guy. This careful cultivation ensured his continued relevance and profitability. Khaby's team helped him navigate the complexities of global endorsements and intellectual property. They ensured his brand was protected and expanded strategically. This professional support was crucial for scaling his success. He proved that a strong personal brand, even a silent one, can be incredibly powerful. His ability to connect with a global audience translated directly into significant commercial value. It was a new blueprint for digital wealth. His story is a powerful reminder that creativity, combined with smart business acumen, can lead to extraordinary financial success. Khaby Lame built an empire from scratch, one silent video at a time. He turned a simple idea into a global phenomenon. Khaby Lame has become more than just a TikTok star. He is a powerful symbol. He represents simplicity in a world obsessed with complexity. He embodies authenticity in an era of curated perfection. His rise is a testament to the enduring power of humor, especially humor that transcends cultural divides. He showed that laughter is truly a universal language, capable of uniting millions. His silent comedy spoke volumes. His journey offers an incredibly inspiring message to aspiring creators and entrepreneurs worldwide. It's a testament that global recognition doesn't require being loud or complex. Sometimes, the most impactful messages are the simplest. Khaby proved that you don't need a massive budget or a team of producers to achieve viral success. All you need is a unique idea, consistency, and an understanding of your audience. He democratized global fame. He reminds us that relatability is a superpower. When people see themselves in your content, they connect on a deeper level. Khaby's common-sense reactions resonated with everyone's everyday experiences. His legacy is one of breaking barriers, both linguistic and cultural. He showed that true connection comes from shared human experiences, not from spoken words. He built bridges with a shrug and a hand gesture. Khaby Lame's story is a beacon of hope for anyone feeling overlooked or unheard. It demonstrates that talent, no matter how unconventional, can find its audience and achieve unimaginable heights. He turned a disadvantage into his greatest strength. He is a living example that innovation doesn't always mean inventing something new. Sometimes, it means looking at the familiar in a completely different way. Khaby simply pointed out the obvious, and the world listened. His journey from factory floor to global icon is a powerful narrative of resilience, creativity, and the unexpected paths to success. Khaby Lame is the silent millionaire, and his impact will resonate for years to come. He truly changed the game.